All right, welcome to another video from the chart readers. We are finishing off the crypto sector review with EBON and HUT. Real quick, if there are more crypto stocks you want me to add, please let me know. I really only have these 6 right now, but happy to add more. Real quick, what are we going to do today? Same thing we always do, right? We'll take a look at the daily and the weekly to see how things are setting up. We have our 5 moving averages. I will be drawing some horizontal support and resistance lines. And then when we're done up here, we'll use the MACD, RSI, and volume as our lower indicators. Hey, really quickly, if you can please like and subscribe, it does really well with the YouTube algorithms. Nonetheless, I very much appreciate your time, all right? So look, EBON made a beautiful move. I actually can't believe it made this much. EBON and Hive, I just covered Hive in another video, very much surprised me how well they did in that January window. I actually really wish I was looking at these stocks versus, and again, I did really well in January, right? So I'm kind of being greedy in all honesty, but yeah, these killed it a lot more than I actually really knew. So nonetheless, look, technically speaking, right, this 100 moving average line has been a beast to say the least, right? That rhymed. That wasn't the plan. Sorry. Monster run gets very much stopped by this line, and what essentially happens is this thing goes, oscillates literally to the like it's a beautiful oscillation, right? It's going so parallel to the line, but these last couple days are starting to look really good, right? And where we're at right now, sorry to zoom in so much, we're actually over all 4 of these lines, right? I often say when it gets tight, anything can happen. As you get another one coming, you now kind of make this like channel where this is the top and this is the bottom. I'm really glad it went from the like middle low, right, to literally over, right? And I've said it on about 3 stocks on this sector, right? 3 moving averages broken on a single candle. That's great. It is good. Don't get me wrong, but I need monster confirmation. And monster confirmation is basically going to be this like 890 number. What is 50? Maybe we'll say like 865 is all right. That'll at least give us 50% candle right here. But yeah, 3 moving averages is no joke, and let's get up here. Let's get some real good confirmation. But look, again, I started the last video, and I'll say it one more time a little bit later. The fact that we've now reviewed, what is this, the 5th stock in this sector, all of them are basically at around 10%, if not around 20%. That's a beautiful thing. I love when the sector is just green. Honestly, I also like it when it's red, because then I just know just stay away from these until they're all getting ready to get back, right? So there really is a reason why I do these in groups like I do, you know what I mean? But yeah, a couple easy lines to draw right here, right? So I'm going to make this guy up here. I just talked about this one, right? 890. That will be tomorrow's confirmation, hopefully. But really, this 1009 is going to be the main line to draw. Okay, so just keep that in mind, right? Man, the problem, I guess we'll use this right here, okay? So I often say it, green can real easily turn into red. We do not want to lose this 50. Obviously, we're talking about literally going up from here. So it's kind of like the last thing. I'm by no means saying it's you know, what I'm expecting. But yeah, the very last thing you're going to want to do is lose that 50. And then I'll at least just draw this real quickly down here. But yeah, we're looking for 1009, and then on the weekly, I'll draw the next one. But yeah, that's a beautiful RSI, right? We're now starting to see a good separation. Hopefully this MACD is able to curve back and give us also green over red. I don't like when these don't do the same thing, but I often say 80% of the work is up here. We now have seen 5 stocks and they all look pretty good, so I am feeling happy with it, right? So I'll kind of, it is what it is, I guess, for lack of words, right? This is basically the weekly chart. Most of them are also in, right? Devastation under the 8 and the 20. You gotta be over those 2 lines. It's a real simple rule for a reason, you know what I mean? And we make an attempt, we don't get really good confirmation, but it looks like we're trying to do it again. And look, if we can clear this hurdle, there's essentially a lot of red till about right here. I mean, we're at 8, and I'm giving a decent reason to believe 40 is not an outrageous, you know, target to put here, right? 17 is going to be a little bit of a difficulty, and then like I said, I mean, we're I guess I'd actually just put this one right. No, you know what? I'll do this one. I did like that line because I'll take the top of that guy and some of these. So, look, I mean, there's a lot to like here. You know what I mean? And again, just the fact that the rest of the crypto stocks are looking well. EBON, this is on my radar for sure, and it wasn't before I made this video. I'll tell you that much. So, gotta love it right here. Hut. Again, damn, look at this, man. Look, this whole sector just crushed it in January. Healthy little bounce on the 100. This is now, I think, the fourth stock out of 6 that we've seen bounce on the 100. I love it, right? This is now probably the 4th stock we've seen where a single candle today has broken multiple moving averages. I love it, right? We're seeing a lot of similarities. Hopefully, they all get that confirmation tomorrow. I'm telling you, tomorrow matters way more than today. I know a 14% banger is a beautiful thing. Believe me, tomorrow matters more than today. Are these 3 lines breaking just a fluke, or is it actually real and we're going to be trading over all 5 and like going sustainably up, right? That's what we're looking for. So yeah, definitely a lot to like, right? We have now reviewed all 6 basically all 6 basically say the same thing. That was a difficult sentence. Sorry about that. And I'm not trying to beat a dead horse here. Look at this, the exact same weekly chart. Like, look, this is Hut. This is EBON, okay? Same little diamond pattern, same under the 20, right? We literally just looked at these. In case you didn't see the last video, this one's Hive, same under with this little pattern right here. I think Riot looked the same. Did it? It did. Look at that, right? Let's just finish it off. Did the first 2 look like this? Look at that. Not quite as heavy with the V, but Marathon is there. And then I think Coins got the same thing too. They all say the same thing, and I'm telling you, it's a beautiful thing, right? It's especially beautiful when they're all green, right? But this sector is on the verge of greatness if we get the right confirmations. That's really the story across the 6. But hey, if you disagree with anything, throw it in the comments. If there's any other stocks you want me to review in this sector, throw it in the comments. Very much appreciate your time. Thank you so much.